ये एड्यू मंत्रा जो है ये एज अ यूट्यूब कितना सपोर्ट किया है एड्यू मंत्रा ने आपके इस जर्नी में?
यस सपोर्ट तो बहुत रहा, लाइक जैसे राजीव सर के सेशंस होते थे लंबे लंबे मैथ्स के पूरे
वो 12 घंटे वाला सेशन अटेंड किया था आपने?
पूरा नहीं अटेंड करा था, हाफ पार्ट्स में करा
मतलब
था।
वो एनर्जी बहुत मुश्किल है।
हाँ सर में मेरे से भी ज़्यादा एनर्जी है।
ग्रेट
हाँ,
ग्रेट।
तो वो सब भी बहुत हेल्पफुल थे, लाइक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना। फिर आप भी आते थे साइंस के, मैंने आपके वो रिविजन 2 नहीं, वो जो सारे लेक्चर्स होते थे आपके
टारगेट 95
हाँ
प्लस,
95
वो तो
प्लस
बच्चे
उनके सारे मैंने करे थे। लाइक आपके सेशन से पहले आप हमेशा बोलते भी तो सुपर रिविजन भी करा था, लेकिन मैथ्स का ज़्यादा करा था उसमें। साइंस में मैं टेक्स्ट बुक ज़्यादा पढ़ती, साइंस एसएस में टेस्ट
नहीं जो फैक्ट है वो फैक्ट है भाई, ठीक है।
Hello everyone, I am Parv Gupta from JP Public School, Greater Noida. I have scored 99.8% in class 10 and Edu Mantra helped me a lot during my learning process. Sanjeev sir's one-shot videos, Target 95 Plus and Super Revision series, as well as Rajiv sir's Super Marathon sessions were really helpful and were really good. These videos helped me understand the concepts clearly. I would like to thank Edu Mantra for the support they gave me throughout the year, and thank you Edu Mantra team.
Hello everyone, I am Falak Sharma. I had passed my class 10th with an aggregate of 99%, having 99.6 percentile in top 5 subjects from BMDAV Public School, Haridwar. For progression of my result, I would like to give a heft of regards and gratitude to all my dear teachers from Edu Mantra who had guided me throughout my journey of preparation in this woeful time of COVID, that also for free of cost. From hours long explanation lectures to super revision batches to one shots, all had helped me to perform well. Menti quizzes always rendered a feeling of competition and related me how to compete and perform at national level. The notes shared by Sanjeev sir were the thing that I used to go through a night before any examination in class 10th. The strategies of time management, paper presentation, answer writing, I was guided on each and every major to minor attribute by Edu Mantra. At last, I would like to thank whole Edu Mantra team, especially Sanjeev sir, Rajiv sir, Joseph sir, Shubham sir and Yogita ma'am for guiding me to excel in class 10th. Thank you.
Greetings Team Edu Mantra. I am Garv Kapoor from City Vocational Public School, Meerut, currently studying in class 11th. With the help of Edu Mantra, I was able to score 99.4% in my class 10 board examinations. Last year was not an easy year for education in India. We had to face a lot of problems regarding classes and stuff. But I, since class 9th, was following Sanjeev sir's channel Edu Mantra, so I knew he won't be holding back this time too and will be providing us quality education, and that too free of cost. Sanjeev sir's Target 95 Plus series was a banger for my preparation and helped me complete my course earlier and focus on solving previous year questions, sample papers, etc. Menti sessions were a blessing during that time. I'm really happy I studied from Edu Mantra in my class 10 and thank Rajiv sir, Sanjeev sir and all the Edu Mantra team for the hard work they did upon us. Really, thank you so much Edu Mantra.
Hello everyone, I am Muskan Mittal from the Tansbridge School, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and I scored 99.2% in my 10th board exam 2021. I want to thank the entire Edu Mantra team for everything they have done for me, and I'm sure for all the other students out there who have been studying from Edu Mantra, and I'm sure they all have scored really well. So this past year 2020 was very difficult. I'm sure not only for me, for all of us, for the teachers, for the students, for everyone for that matter. And हमारा स्कूल एक हफ्ते के लिए खुला था for 1 week ऑफलाइन क्लास, एंड उसके बाद सब बंद हो गया था. एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट क्लोज्ड और बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. मतलब मेरे लिए, मेरे पास सारी फैसिलिटीज हैं. आई हैव एन इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, प्रॉपर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, पीसी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी मेरे लिए भी डिफिकल्ट था. तो मुझे नहीं पता और दूसरों के लिए जिनके पास ये फैसिलिटीज नहीं है उनके लिए कितना मुश्किल था. बट और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस वर ओके, बट फ्रीक्वेंट प्रॉब्लम्स नॉट नो प्रॉपर इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, नेटवर्क एरर्स आते थे, समझ नहीं आता था कभी, वो डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं था ना टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में, दैट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट देन मुझे एड्यूमंत्रा मिला एंड लाइक इट वॉज रियली गुड. मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैंने संजीव सर ऑल दोज क्लासेस, हर टॉपिक को डिटेल में बताना, डिटेल में समझाना रियली हेल्प मी डू वेरी वेल इन साइंस. और मैथ्स, लाइक मैं ऑनेस्टली बताना चाहती हूँ, मैथ्स आई डिसलाइक मैथ्स. मतलब मुझसे होता ही नहीं था. आई वॉज नेवर एबल टू डू दैट. 9th में भी नहीं और 10th में तो नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. बट देन राजीव सर की वो मैराथन, सारी मैराथन्स, उनके इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस ने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया, बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड दैट वॉज हाउ आई वॉज एबल टू स्कोर सो वेल. मैंने इतना सीखा दैट आई स्कोर्ड रियली वेल इन 10th एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थैंकफुल हूँ राजीव सर, संजीव सर, एड्यूमंत्रा की पूरी टीम, जिनकी वजह से मुझे ये अच्छे मार्क्स, इतना अच्छा स्कोर कर पाई हूँ मैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Hello everyone, I am Balram Bhala of class 11th from Khunti district of Jharkhand. I scored 98.8% of marks in class 10th examinations in the previous pandemic year. It was quite difficult for all of us to study in the last year with a completely new online method. But I found EduMantra YouTube channel on the right time, in which Target 95 Plus series was going on. I was quite weak in social science and science, so I watched all the lectures of social science and science provided by Sanjeev sir. It was very helpful for me, and with help of those lectures I was able to score quite good marks in my class 10th examinations. I scored 98.8% marks. It was all because of EduMantra's help and support to all the students. I hope the same happens with all of you and you score best marks in your examinations. Thank you to EduMantra team. All the best for future.
My name is Priyanshu Bharadwaj. I completed my class 10 previous year from Vidhan Public School. Due to COVID, I had to study online, including EduMantra. I studied from bunch of teachers, including Rajiv sir and Sanjeev sir. Rajiv sir's lecture for mathematics, including his sample paper series, were very fruitful. Sanjeev sir's Menti quiz helped me get the confidence for the case-based studies. Thank you, sir, for your help to achieve me such good marks. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dhruv Shrivastava. I am from Children Public Senior Secondary School and I got 98.6% in my class 10th. And I want to thank EduMantra for supporting me because पिछली बार सब ऑनलाइन था, जो कि हम सब जानते हैं, पहला एक्सपीरियंस और पहली बार हर चीज़ डिफ़िकल्ट होती है, ये सब लोग जानते हैं. इस साल तो भले ही ये अब एक्सपीरियंस हो गया कैसे करना है, लेकिन पिछली बार ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था और EduMantra ने काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया. सारे टीचर्स ने मेरे बहुत सपोर्ट किया और आप भी उसको फॉलो करिए, आपके लिए भी बेहतर ही होगा. एंड थैंक यू टू एवरीवन.
Hello everybody, my name is Arindam Shandili. I have scored 97.8% in my class 10. I am from Delhi Public School, Gwalior. EduMantra has assisted me a lot to achieve this feat. Rajiv sir's long sessions and Sanjeev sir's one-shot videos were very helpful.
Hello, my name is Anurag Thakur and I am from DAM International School. I scored 97.8% in my class 10 board examination. And EduMantra helped me a lot in scoring 97.8 as Sanjeev sir's 95 plus series was starting when I entered 10th standard. So I studied science and social from him, and Joseph sir helped me in English. So yeah, EduMantra channel helped me a lot in studying 10th standard and scoring 97.8. Thank you.